Welcome to our comparison of the MSI PRO Z790A MX Wi-Fi and MSI PRO B650-S Wi-Fi motherboards. In this video, we will delve into the specifications, features, and performance of these two motherboards to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. The Z790A Max is designed for Intel's latest processors, while the B650S caters to AMD's Ryzen series. Let's explore what each has to offer. The MSI PRO Z790A Max offers high-end performance with support for the latest Intel processors, PCIe 5.0, and DDR5 memory, making it ideal for gaming and demanding applications. In contrast, the MSI PRO B650S provides solid performance for everyday tasks and gaming, but is limited to PCIe 4.0 and is designed for AMD's Ryzen processors. While the Z790A Max excels in raw power, the B650S offers great value for users on a budget. When it comes to networking, the MSI PRO Z790A Max is equipped with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, providing faster wireless speeds and improved connectivity options. On the other hand, the MSI PRO B650S features Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, which are still excellent, but slightly behind the latest standards. If cutting-edge wireless technology is a priority for you, the Z790A Max is the clear winner. Price is a significant factor when choosing between these two motherboards. The MSI PRO Z790A Max is priced at $259, reflecting its high-end features and capabilities. In contrast, the MSI PRO B650S is more budget-friendly at $169, making it an attractive option for those looking to build a powerful system without breaking the bank. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your budget and performance needs. In conclusion, both the MSI PRO Z790A Max and MSI PRO B650S motherboards have their strengths and weaknesses. The Z790A Max is perfect for those seeking top-tier performance and the latest features, while the B650S offers excellent value for AMD users on a budget. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.